To enable interface testing on cloud platform integration, you need to provide runtime destination and management destination to Infor Suite configuration. The connections might be set up automatically by Configuration Wizard, what is recommended, or set up manually in global parameters. Before you will be able to create those RFC destinations, you need to gather following information. URLs for RFC destinations. Upload certificates used for communication in Solution Manager and CPI. Create user with respective authorizations. Obtain service key for the process integration runtime. To obtain URLs of the API management and runtime, go to BTP Cockpit, open Instances and Subscriptions page, find instances for the process integration runtime and click on Credentials. Copy the management URL from instance with API plan, and copy the runtime URL from the instance with integration flow plan. To obtain username and password for the runtime RFC, go to BTP Cockpit, open Instances and Subscriptions page, find instance for the process integration runtime with integration flow plan. Click on the credentials. Copy client ID, this will be your username, copy client secret, this will be your password. API management RFC needs to be accessed with suser. This user needs to have a specific list of roles assigned to it. You can define a role collection that will contain all those roles. List of applicable roles can be obtained from the Infor Suite manual page. To obtain certificates, used for the communication between SAP Solution Manager and Integration Suite, you need to go to your Cloud Integration main page. Click on the lock icon, next to the URL. Click on the connection is secure. Next click on certificate is valid. Certificate viewer will pop up. Export all certificates from the certificate hierarchy. Now open U Solution Manager and go to Transaction S Trust. Upload all certificates to Anonymous SSL. Simply click on the Import Certificate and select files you've downloaded in previous steps. When you are in S-Trust transaction, you also need to download Solution Manager own certificate. Select SSL Server Standard. Double-click on the own certificate subject. Click on Export Certificate and save it locally. To upload SAP Solution Manager own certificate to the SAP CPI, you need to open your Cloud Integration Cockpit and go to Monitoring. Click on Key Store tile. On the right-hand side there is a button that says Add. Click it and choose Certificate. Provide a meaningful alias and upload SAP Solution Manager own certificate. Next step in the preparation to test Integration Suite is to upload package with Infor Suite Dispatcher to the Cloud Integration. Open Design in your Cloud Integration Cockpit. Click on Import button. Import Infor Dispatcher. Open Package. Deploy the Dispatcher iFlow. Now you have all information needed to set up RFC connections. Go to Infor Suite home page. Click on Configuration tile. Click on Run Configuration Wizard. Select Maintain CPI Management RFC Destination. Click on Customize. Select Create New Destination. Put meaningful destination name. Target host is URL fetched from BTP Cockpit under API plan. Port is 443. HTTP user is technical S user with all the necessary roles assigned. Click Continue. Repeat above steps for the CPI runtime RFC destination. This time the URL will be the URL for the integration flow plan. User credentials should be fetched from the integration flow plan key, as described earlier. You are now ready to test Integration Suite.